I have a question to a certain verse in the Holy Quran, chapter 11, verse 73.
So our question is based on verse number 73 from chapter 11, Surah Hud. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قالت يا ويلتى أألد وأنا عجوز وهذا بالي شيخا إن هذا لشيء عجيب. She said, "Oh, woe is me, shall I bear a child when I am an old woman, and this my husband is an old man? This is indeed a strange thing."
So we know that ladies after a certain age are not able to have children anymore. This verse that says that Hazrat Abraham and his wife were both very old, and the Bible actually gives them the age of Hazrat Abraham 100 and Hazrat Sarah 90. Was Hazrat Sarah really that old?
Does the Quran mention that age?
No.
See, this is the advantage we have to have this book with Shahidun Allah, all the books previously. So the Quran Kareem leaves that intentionally. He must be very old and she must be very old, but still it's not possible that she was as advanced in age as the Bible says. Another thing to support our theory is that when Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam took her to the king of Egypt, was it? No, the palace of which king? When he migrated from his country along with his wife, he went to a king's palace and was a guest of honor of that king. And the wife was sent to the palace, and he fell in love with her. And he used to do that. He was notorious for this. So that is why Hazrat Abraham is, according to reports, said she is my sister. Now that could be said to be a lie. While Ibrahim was Siddiq, he couldn't have told lies. But sometimes cousins are also called sisters. So if it is true, then naturally he was referring to her as cousin sister. And this was because he knew that the king will have respect for the sister. But all the same, according to reports of the Bible, he fell in love with her. So did he fall in love with a lady 90 years old? That is the point. It's impossible. He could not have, that mad person, unless he was totally blind, he could not have fallen in love with a lady 90 years old. Right? Now, from this verse, if you want me to present an estimation of her age, I should have put her to be around 50. And the ladies are known to have born child even up to 60 years old, particularly when they are healthy and strong. Moreover, in those days, when Ibrahim ﷺ married her, she remained barren for a very long time after marriage. 30 years maybe 40 years. And after that, when she was told that she was going to bear a child, her surprise is quite natural. At this age, while previously we have lived together and this husband of mine is grown old, he was definitely older than her, so it seems to be impossible. But others said, yes, it will happen. So this definitely is the Quranic, is possible and medically possible.